Welcome to DIY Maker. I am Sean, and together with my dad Andre, we'll be tackling some home improvement projects. Like and subscribe, and you may just learn something. In this video, we'll show you how to put up a hammock in a living room. A friend of ours decided she wants a hammock in a living room so she can read and relax. So that's where we're aiming at. To do this, we're going to be using roll bolts, which we'll put on each side of the room, and then from there we'll attach some rope, and on the rope we'll attach the hammock, but we'll show you how to do that. So to start, we measure where we want the roll bolts to sit in the wall. So we've decided we want a 600 millimeters from the ceiling. So I'll take my tape measure, measure the 600 and just mark it so I know where to drill. And I'll do the same on the other side when we get there. So this is the depth we want in the wall. So I'll measure this on the drill bit. Remember to set your drill to the hammer function, since this is going to be masonry drilling. Remember to apply constant pressure. Remember to keep the drill straight. And we're done. Okay, so this should go in freely, and then as you tighten the nut, it will pull the sleeve over the notch, and it will expand and grab inside the wall. Okay, so it's inserted into the wall, it's flush against the wall. Now I just need to tighten the nut to know it's nice and secure. On the other side of the lounge, once again, we measure 600 from the top of the railing there. Right, that's where I'm going to drill. Right in the middle. Just making sure my little dustpan is still operational. Again, it's the same roll bolt, so we need the same distance in the wall. And let's go. Remember, equal pressure. Keep the drill straight. As you can see, this side of the wall is much softer than the other one. So just be careful that you don't move the drill too much, otherwise the hole will become too big. And now the second roll bolt. I just make sure it's adjusted to the minimum so I have enough space to expand the bolt inside the wall. Okay, just grab the hammer, tap it in gently. Nice and flush with the wall. Grab your spanner and tighten the nut. So let's see, look at that. Now that we have fixed the roll bolts in the wall, it's time to attach the ski rope. So you need to determine the length you need, then attach the one end to the roll bolt and the other end to the hammock. So I'll do triple length here, just to make sure it's strong enough, but it should be fine. Holds double like that. So it's right over left, twist it, take the left over the right, twist it under it, and then just pull it tight. Then as you apply weight on the cord or on the string, it tightens itself. That side's good. Let's move over to the other side. Now for the other side, we repeat the process. You can just hold for me, please. Thank you. So we determined the height we want. So that means this length is now set to what we want. But this side, we're going to attach a hook so you can unhook the hammock and move it to one side when you want to use the lounge. So this will make a part of my measuring. So I'm going to attach it to the hook, and then I'll measure the distance from this hook instead of that hook. Otherwise my rope will be too long and the hammock will be too low. Again, I'm going to do 4 strands. That's 2, 3, and 4. And again, I'm going to allow a little bit for the tying process. You can just cut the ski rope with any utility knife, that should be fine. The same we did on the other side. Double up the rope, feed it through the hammock ring and to the wall. Again, the magic knot, right over left, give it some more length, left over right, and pull it tight. And that's it. When the hammock is not in use, we can just unclip it and move it to one side.